I've always been a fan of Ghibli movies, so here it is. I've made them in my room. Hi guys, I'm Phoebe and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to paint my room again. We rebuilt it so that I can have bigger space and a table. So if you're wondering what my room looks like, visit my first room makeover. I've dropped the link below. I've painted the wall white as the first coat. After that, your second coat can be exact color you wanted. Use tiny brush for the corners. If your paint needs third coat, then go, try it. Let's start on tutorial. I use latex color on that. I just followed a picture of it since my wall was already gray. Let's go on Soot Spray. You just have to paint it in a black circle pattern. Put eyes on it and make some furs on it. And after that, paste some cute stars. Third one is a kitten bass. Forgive me if it was covered by me reeling. I thought it would fit. But anyways, I just followed the picture also. I got my tiny brush for the outlines. And that's it for the kitten bass. This cute forest spirits, you just have to sketch it and paint it with white. Make the outline and that's it. The last one was the small tutorus. Let's start in painting it with white. Make the outline of the smallest one and color the bigger one with blue. Color the sack also with yellow-orange and let it dry. Outlining makes it more awesome. So here are my works. Thanks for my kuya for building the bed and the table. If you want to know how to change an ordinary bed into a loaf bed, visit my brother's channel. I've put the link below so that you can easily click it. Organizing. And that's it. If you want to suggest more bedroom decors, comment below. Also, if you want to watch more painting videos, visit my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button, do the like, and ring the notification bell to notify you on my next video. Thanks for watching, and to God be the glory.